viewers at home. Welcome to online teaching of St. Charles College, Onitsha. My name is Chukwudebe Chineze from French Department. Our topic for today is Demander et indiquer le temps, il fait les saisons, which means what? Indicating the weather and the seasons. Les objectifs spécifiques. À la fin du cours, les étudiants seront capables de 1. Nommer le 4 saisons de l'année dans certains continents. 2. La norme de chaque saison en Nigeria est combien? Numéro 3. Mentionner la durée de chaque saison dans certains continents. Numéro 4. Mentionner le mois de l'année. What this section is trying to tell you is that at the end of the lesson, the students should be capable of 1. Naming the 4 seasons of the year in certain continents. 2. The number of each season in Nigeria is how many? Number 3. Mentioning the duration of each season in each continent. Number 4. Mentioning the months of the year. Au Nigeria, il y a 2 saisons, la saison de pluie et la saison sèche. In Nigeria, there are 2 seasons, the rainy season and the dry season. Pendant la saison de pluie, during the rainy season, il pleut beaucoup et il fait très froid. It rains much and it is very cold. Everybody knows that during the rainy season, it rains much and everybody is carrying umbrella because of the rain. The crops are flourishing. Les crops fleurissent, les arbres fleurissent. The soil are wet, so the crops that you put on the soil grows very well. Et il fait très froid and it is very, very cold. Pendant la saison sèche, during the dry season, le soleil brille et il fait chaud. The sun shines very well and it is very hot. That's during the dry season. What do we call the dry season, students? It is called what? La saison sèche. What we said that during the dry season, the sun shines and it is very, very hot. Pendant l'harmattan, during the harmattan, il y a du vent, it is very windy. Quelquefois, il fait froid, sometimes it is cold, et quelquefois, il fait chaud, and sometimes it is hot. So in this section, what you should learn from this section is that in Nigeria, we have 2 seasons. Il y a 2 saisons, la saison de pluie et la saison sèche, the rainy season and the dry season. Pendant la saison de pluie, il pleut beaucoup. During the rainy season, it rains much et il fait très froid and it is very, very cold. Pendant la saison sèche, during the dry season, le soleil brille et il fait chaud and the sun shines and it is very, very hot. Pendant l'harmattan, il y a du vent, it is windy. Quelquefois, il fait froid et quelquefois, il fait chaud. Sometimes it is cold and sometimes it is hot. Dans certain continents, in certain continents, what do we mean by certain continents? In Europe, for example, in the US, there are 4 seasons. Il y a 4 saisons, there are 4 seasons. And what are those 4 seasons? Listen very well. Ce sont le printemps, they are the spring, l'été, the summer, l'automne, the autumn, and the last one, l'hiver, which means what? The winter. These are the 4 seasons that we have in certain continents. And what do I mean by certain continents? In the Europe and US. In overseas country, there are 4 seasons. One of them is what? Le printemps, which means what? The spring. L'été, which means what? The summer. L'automne, which means what? The autumn. And the last one, l'hiver, which means what? The winter. La durée de chaque saison est 3 mois. The duration of each season is 3 months. The duration of each season in the 4 seasons in certain continents are 3 months. 3 mois. Le printemps, c'est pendant le mois de mars, avril et mai. The spring, it is during the month of March, April and May. Pendant le printemps, during the spring, les arbres fleurissent et il pleut toujours. During the spring, the trees flourish. You can see it is green because rain is falling on it. And it rains always. Il pleut toujours. Pendant l'été, during the summer, what do you understand by summer? When sun shines. You can see in the US, you see people coming out in the sun to tan their skin. They enjoy the sun because it is enjoyable, it is pleasant. Il fait du soleil, it is sunny. Il fait beau, and the weather is beautiful. La saison est plus agréable. The season is more pleasant. Everybody enjoys the season. You see many people traveling during the summer. What do we call summer in French? L'été. See many people traveling during the summer because the weather is more pleasant. L'été, c'est dans le mois de juin. The summer, it is in the month of June, July, and August. L'automne, c'est dans le mois de septembre, octobre, and November. It is in the month of September, October, and November. En automne, il fait souvent de vent. In autumn, it is always windy. En hiver, which means what? The winter. Il fait froid. Il neige. It is cold and it snows. During the winter, everywhere is so. You can see children playing during the winter, molding a snowman, and you can see people and children skiing because it is slippery. The ground is white with snow. Il fait froid, it is cold. You can see people wearing jackets and coats to cover their body. Il neige and it snows. L'hiver, the winter, so pendant le mois de décembre, janvier et février. During the winter, it is during the month of December, January and February. Les expressions dans la leçon. Les expressions utilisées dans la leçon. The expressions used in the lessons of today. So you repeat after me. Répétez après moi. Listen. Number 1. Numéro 1. La saison de pluie. You say after me. In English, what it means is the raining season. Numéro 2. La saison sèche. What it means is the dry season. Do you get that to come from? Numéro 3, il fait froid. What it means it is cold. Numéro 4, il fait chaud. It is hot. Numéro 5, le printemps. What do I mean by le printemps? It means what? Spring. Numéro 6, l'été. It means what? Summer. Numéro 7, désolé. L'automne, what it means what? Autumn. Numéro 8, l'hiver, what it means is winter. Numéro 9, il neige. What do I mean by il neige? It means what? It snows. Numéro 10, il fait souvent de vent. It is often what? Windy. What did I say here, students at home? I said that what we have in this section is the expressions used in the lesson. Les expressions utilisées dans la leçon. La saison de pluie, which means what? The rainy season. La saison sèche, the dry season. Numéro 3, il fait froid, it is cold. Numéro 4, il fait chaud, it is hot. Numéro 5, le printemps, it means what? Spring. Numéro 6, l'été, means what? Summer. Numéro 7, l'automne, means what? Autumn. Numéro 8, l'hiver, means what? Winter. Numéro 9, il neige, means what? It snows. Then numéro 10, il fait souvent du vent, it means what? It is often what? Windy. Numéro 11, in this section, we are still on the expressions used in the lesson. Les expressions utilisées dans la leçon. Numéro 11, il pleut beaucoup. It rains heavily. Numéro 12, le soleil brille, the sun shines. Numéro 13, l'harmattan, it means what? Harmattan. Remember we said that during the harmattan, it is what? Often what? Windy. Il y a du vent, it is often what? Windy. Numéro 14, quelquefois means what? Sometimes. Numéro 15, il fait beau means what? The weather is cold. The weather is good. Numéro 6, il fait mauvais temps means what? The weather is bad. Numéro 17 means la saison est plus agréable means what? The season is more pleasant. Numéro 18, les arbres means what? The trees. Numéro 19, janvier, février, mars, avril, mai, juin. What we simply means there is January, February, March, April, May, June. Then the last but not the least, numéro 20, juillet, août, septembre, octobre, November, December, which means what? July, August, September, October, November, December. So what this section is trying to tell you is that the expression that we used, one of them is what? Le soleil brille. Le soleil brille means what? The sun shines. When the sun is shining, it means that the weather is dry. We have a dry season. Il pleut beaucoup, which means what? It rains heavily. When it rains heavily, it means that the weather is cold. Il fait froid. The weather is cold. And you can see everybody carrying umbrella and wearing coats to cover up their body. L'harmattan, which means what? The harmattan. Il y a du vent. The weather is windy. The season is, there are more winds everywhere. Quelquefois, which means what? Sometimes. Il fait beau, the weather is good. Il fait mauvais temps, the weather is bad. La saison est plus agréable, the season is more pleasant. Les arbres, the trees. Janvier, février, mars, avril, mai, June. Which means what? January, February, March, April, May, June. Then the last but not the least, we have juillet, août, septembre, octobre, November, December. Which means what? July, August, September, October, November, December. So in this lesson of today, what you should get from this lesson is that in Nigeria, or Nigeria, il y a deux saisons. There are two seasons. One of them is what? La saison de pluie et la saison sèche. Which means what? We have the rainy season and the dry season. Pendant la saison de pluie, during the rainy season, il pleut beaucoup, it rains heavily. Et il fait froid, and it is always cold. Pendant la saison sèche, during the dry season, le soleil brille, the sun shines, everywhere is hot. Et il fait chaud, and it is hot. Pendant l'harmattan, during the harmattan, il y a du vent, it is often what? Windy. Then the second section, we have what? Dans certain continents, in certain continents. What do I mean by certain continents? It means what? In Europe, in the US, you can see there are 4 seasons there. And what are those 4 seasons? They are le printemps, le spring, le printemps, which means what? Spring, l'été, which means what? Summer, l'automne, which means what? Autumn, and the last one, l'hiver, which means what? Winter. So this is what you should get from the lessons of today. Then the duration of each season that I just mentioned now is 3 months. Et 3 mois. La durée de chaque mois est 3 mois. So thank you, my students, for listening. For the evaluation, for knowing whether you understood the lessons of today, we brought out these questions below to test your knowledge. Numéro 1. Nommez les 4 saisons de l'année dans certains continents. Which means what? Name the 4 seasons of the year in certain continents. Numéro 2. Mentionnez les 2 saisons au Nigeria. Mention the 2 seasons in Nigeria. Numéro 3, quel temps fait-il en hiver? What weather or season do we have during the winter? Numéro 4, quel temps fait-il en printemps? What season or weather do we have during the spring? Numéro 5, la durée de chaque saison est combien de mois? The duration of each season is how many? Numéro 6, quel fait-il beau? Quel fait-il beau, which means what? When is it beautiful? When is the weather beautiful? Numéro 7, quel neige-t-il? When does it snow? Which season? When does it snow? As you can see in the lesson, I just said that. Numéro 8, quand fait-il du soleil en général? When is it sunny in general? Numéro 9, quand fait-il froid? When is the weather what? Cold. Then the last but not the least, numéro 10, quand est-ce qu'il pleut? When does it rain? For the résumé, résumé means what? The conclusion. Les étudiants seront prenant les notes et préparés pour les prochaines leçons. Et préparés pour la leçon prochaine. Which means what? The students should take their notes and prepare for their next lesson. This is my teacher's WhatsApp contact. If you want to contact me, you can contact me with this number 070-3566-8962.